Yes, friends. Today we are going to start new chapter areas related to cube and cuboid. So first of all, I would like to explain what is area. Area. What is area? The space covered by the boundary is called area. The space covered by the boundary is called area. Boundary may be, figure may be triangular, square, parallelogram. The space, it means covered by the boundary. It may be circle also, is called area. The measuring unit of area is square. Area always is measured in square unit. If meter is there, so square meter, decimeter, square decimeter, centimeter, square centimeter. In earlier classes also you have already done the questions related to the area. You have done already how to find the area of a rectangle, how to find the area of a parallelogram, area of a square. So in this chapter we will discuss about 3D shapes. It means 3-dimensional shapes, in which today we will discuss about only cube and cuboid. So first, what is cuboid? Cuboid, a solid shape which is having 6 faces, 8 vertices, 8 vertices and 12 edges. You can give the example of any book. This book is the example of a cuboid because this book has how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. Have you understood? One face, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So this is the figure of a cuboid. This is cuboid. Give any name: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So a cuboid has 6 rectangular faces. A cuboid has 6 rectangular faces, 12 edges, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Vertices mean we have 3 edges are joining is called vertex. So this A is vertex, B is vertex, C is vertex, E is vertex, F is vertex, D and G. These are vertices. We have 3 edges are joining. The point of joining is called vertex. So what is the definition of a cuboid? A solid shape which is having 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices is called cuboid. All the faces are rectangular. All the faces are rectangular. Now question arises, how to find the total area of a cuboid. So to find the total area of a cuboid, there are 6 faces. We will find the area of each face and we will add, then we will get the total area of the cuboid. So try to understand, this is the length of the cuboid, this is breadth and this is height. I hope by giving the example of room you can understand easily. The floor is one face, this wall is other face, that is third, fourth, fifth and top is 6 faces. So there are 6 faces in a cuboid. So area of 6 faces, it means all the faces are rectangular. So area of rectangle you already know, length multiply breadth. So area of this bottom face, length multiply breadth, and top also equal to this because roof and floor both are equal. So area of this base is equal to area of this top. So there are, I am finding total area of the cuboid. Total area of a cuboid. Total area means, again I am repeating, total area means area of all the 6 faces. So all the faces are rectangular. So area of this portion, length multiply breadth. Top also equal to, this is length and this is breadth. I think you are understanding. This is length and this is breadth. This is length, this is breadth. So length multiply breadth. I have taken floor and roof. It means top and base. Now this base is equal to this one, front faces. So in this one, B stands for length and S stands for breadth. So area of this portion, it means B multiplied by H, and that also equal to this. This also B multiplied by H. B multiplied by H. Now this base, length stands for length and S stands for breadth. So area of this base is length multiplied by S plus length multiplied by S. Any doubt, any confusion? So I have explained in details so how to find the total area of a cuboid. So LB means 2 LB plus BH 2BH plus LH 2LH 2LH. Any doubt, any confusion? Now 2 is common. So after taking 2 common, LB plus BH plus LH. So this is the total area of a cuboid. Any doubt, any confusion? So total area of a cuboid, 2 into length multiplied by breadth plus breadth multiplied by height plus length multiplied by h. So this is the formula for finding the total area of a cuboid. So you have to remember this formula for solving the question. After that, lateral surface area, or you can say area of four walls, both are same. Lateral surface area means excepting top and base. Area of four walls is called lateral surface area. Now lateral surface area of a cuboid, lateral surface area of cuboid. Lateral surface area means excepting top and base. So top and base area 2LB plus 2BH plus 2LH. Now this portion is not included because lateral means excepting top and base, or you can say area of four walls. So this can be written, 2 is common, 2 into L plus B, and H also common, so you can write 2 bracket L plus B into height. This is the lateral surface area of a cuboid or area of four walls. Have you understood? Any doubt, any confusion? So these are two formulae for finding the total surface area and lateral surface area of a cuboid. Now next point, cube. So what is cube? cube. In cube and cuboid, there is some difference. Cuboid has all the faces rectangular, but cube has all the faces square. All the faces of a square of a cube are square, and all the faces of a cuboid are rectangular. So all the faces square will be like this. So this is cube. In this one, all the faces are square. So you already know area of square, side multiplied by side multiplied by side. So all the faces are square. So this side is equal to A. So breadth also will be equal to A, and this also will be equal to A. So all the sides are equal to A. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. These are the vertices. So only one difference is there. In cuboid, all the faces are rectangular, and in cube, all the faces are square. So same formula. Total area of cube. Total area of a cube. It means area of all the faces. Area of all the faces. So area of square, side multiplied by side. So area of this base, A multiplied by A. A multiplied by A. Area of top also, A multiplied by A. Area of this portion also, A multiplied by A. Area of that portion also, A multiplied by A. Area of this portion is equal to this portion, A multiplied by A. I hope all are understanding. So 6 faces and all the faces are square. So area of square, side multiplied by side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A multiplied with A square, A square, A square, A square, A square and A square. So total will be equal to 6A square. A stands for side. So total area of a cube is 6 into side square. A stands for side. 6A square, or you can write 6 into side square. This is the formula for finding the total surface area of a cube. Clear? Yes. Now lateral surface area, same thing excepting base and top. The portion of this base and area of this top will be not included. So lateral surface area of a cube. So base and top area is 2A square. So excepting 2A square, total remaining is 4A square. So these are the main points related to the area of a cuboid and cube. Now some questions related to areas we will solve. Exercise 12.1, in which you will find the total area or lateral surface area of cube and cuboid. Now one question. Dimensions of a cuboid are given. Dimensions of a cuboid are 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So we have to find the total surface area. Total surface area we have to find. Total surface area You know 2 into length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height plus height multiplied by length. This is the formula for finding the total surface area of a cuboid. So 2 into length is 4 and breadth is 3 plus breadth is 3 and height is 2 plus height is 2 and length is 4. Length is 4. Any doubt, any confusion? Okay. 2 into 4 multiplied by 3, 12. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. So 2 into 12 and 6, 18. 18 and 8, 26. 26 multiplied by 2, so it will be 52 square centimeter. So this is the total surface area of a cuboid whose dimensions are there. So now we have to find lateral surface area, or you can say area of 4 walls. So lateral surface area of a cuboid. What is formula? 2 into L plus B multiplied by height. 2 bracket length plus breadth multiplied by height. 2. What is length? Length is 4. What is breadth? Breadth is 3. What is height? Height is 2. Height is 2. So 2, 4 and 3, 7 multiplied by 2. So multiply them, 28 square centimeter. This is the lateral surface area of cuboid. Any doubt, any confusion? Have you understood? Okay. So next question. Side of a cube, because all the faces are square, so all the sides are equal. Side of a cube is given 6 centimeter. So find total surface area and lateral surface area. So total surface area of cube. Total surface area of cube 6 into side square. 6 into side square. So 6 side is 6, 6 square. 6 multiplied by 36, so 216 square centimeter. This is total surface area of a cube. Total surface area of a cube. Now lateral surface area of cube. Of a cube. 4 into side square. 4 into side square. 6 square. 144 square centimeter. 144 square centimeter. So this is the lateral surface area of a cube. Any doubt, any confusion? Have you understood? Okay. Now, next point. We have to find the length of the diagonal of a cuboid. Length of the diagonal of a cuboid. Length of the diagonal of a cuboid. First of all, try to know what is the diagonal. Diagonal is the distance between two opposite vertices. So in cuboid, which are the opposite vertices? So in a cuboidal room, you can try to understand yourself. You are sitting in a cuboidal room, and in which way we can arrange the longest stick? Try to understand. In a cuboidal room, which way we can arrange the longest stick? So this is base, this is top, and these are the faces. So which will be the diagonal? So this portion, if I will join, try to understand. In room you can understand easily. So the distance between opposite vertices, it means one vertices is there and one is other is there. So in class, when classes will be there, then I will explain and you will understand easily. And now also try to understand in a room where you are sitting, and try to know which way we can arrange the longest stick, that means the diagonal. So length of the diagonal of a cuboid, formula is there: L square plus B square plus H square. So this is the formula for finding the length of the diagonal. Root L square plus breadth square plus height square. Suppose dimensions of a cuboid are dimensions of a cuboid are 4, 3 and 2 centimeter. 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter respectively. So what will the length of the diagonal? Length of the diagonal, it means 4 square, breadth 3 square, height 2 square. So according to rule, first we will solve what is given inside the root. 4 square means 16, 3 square means 9 and 2 square means 4. Now add them, so 29. So length of the diagonal of a cuboid whose dimensions are 4, 3 and 2 centimeter will be root 29 centimeter. Any doubt, any confusion? Same will be in cube also. Length of the diagonal of a cube. Length of the diagonal of a cube. Same formula. L square for cuboid you use. L square for your understanding. I am writing same formula which is used to find the length of the diagonal of a cuboid. Root L square plus B square. B stands for breadth. H stands for height. L square, breadth square, height square. But in cube, all the sides are equal. So you can write here A square. Breadth also A square plus height A square. Any doubt, any confusion? Okay. Try to understand. There should be no confusion because all the faces of a cuboid are rectangular. Therefore, length and breadth are there. But in a cube, all the faces are square. So all the sides are equal. So A square plus A square plus A square. Up to here, any doubt, any confusion? Okay. Now, A square plus A square plus A square becomes 3A square. 3a square. And you already know square will cancel to square root. So a will be outside, so it will be root 3a, or you can write a root 3 centimeter, or this way you can write root 3a centimeter. So this is the formula for finding the length of diagonal of a cube. So this is all for today. In next discussion, we will discuss about cylinder and cone, how to find the lateral surface area and total surface area of cylinder and cube. Thank you. Thank you.